My name's George, and I go to Hamilton Southeastern High School. The name of my project is Owl's Help, which is supposed to address the health challenge of dementia. Alzheimer's is a type of dementia, so the first thing the user wants to do is enter their email or username, which they may have stored on their phone in a Notes app. Next, they might want to put their finger on the space below if they want to access it, which they probably would. This is a fingerprint scanner, and it acts like a password. The name of the user is John Doe. That's just a placeholder name. This is the home screen, and it shows what the user might want to do in a short time. For example, take medicine 1 at 11 o'clock a.m. The medicine menu shows not only the time, but also how much and the physical description, which, for example, is green, the color of the pill. This is the medication schedule, and it shows all the medication that the user would need to take. Medicine 1, 2, 3, all at different times, only that medicine 2 doesn't have a set time, it's just after lunch. All of these show the same kinds of things that the menu of medicine 1 shows. This is the places to go screen, and it shows where the user wants to go to do stuff, including picking up medicine and having an appointment, going to an appointment. This also offers a map here. This is another menu here. For example, if the user doesn't like the wallpaper, they can choose one of these or choose their own from their device. They can also choose whether they want notifications, which they probably would. Yes, this app offers notifications, which ensure that the user does not have to access their app every 30 minutes or so. This is the list of physicians. This is just a placeholder here, although the final list would look the same, well, the layout at least. Dr. Samuel Smith, Dr. Arnold Green, and it shows their phone number and email. I know that people with dementia might have problems remembering their loved ones, so I've also included a list here of Jane and Jason Doe. It shows their phone number, email, and relation. This is the user's own profile, which he or she can see their own personal information, and they could log out if they wanted to. This app is based on the assumption that the physician also gets a computer program or a website, because I don't feel as if a mobile device would have the capacity to manage the information of many people at once. But I would like to see if I could actually include a function for the physician on this app. I would also like it so that there is a button to call a service representative for help if the user gets lost or just needs help.